Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gnome T, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I get this afro-like texture using a cream hair straightener. No darling, I am not talking about a relaxer. So straighteners versus relaxers are less harsh on your scalp and still give you the option to get your hair bone straight, or you can just stay tuned to this video and see how I get my hair to still look like a nice soft afro but still processing my hair with this chemical. So yeah, stay tuned. So first thing you're going to need is a fine tooth comb, preferably one with like a parting edge on the side so you can be able to part your hair. I think I got this one from Dischem. And then you're going to need a wide tooth comb or a afro comb so that you can be able to comb through your hair. This one is from Dischem. And then you're gonna need some Vaseline. So it's always good to just put some Vaseline around your hairline and your ears, just so that you don't have any chemical there on, so it doesn't irritate your skin. So you can grab your hair food or your Vaseline, any type, it doesn't really matter. So this is the product that I'm going to be using. It's called Sheen Strat hair straightener. This one is Super, which is the more powerful one, if I may say. It also comes in a blue box that is regular. I use 2 tubes. The product is in tubes. You'll see it when I open it, because I have a lot of hair and I like enough product to be coating my hair. And then the product does not come with a shampoo, so I am going to be using this Originals olive oil shampoo from Dischem. You can use any shampoo, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, let's get straight into it. You can get the Sheen from Clicks and Dischem. And just to moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using this Dark and Lovely Rich and Natural hair food. Again, you can use anything just to give your hair a healthy boost. Hair food, hair moisturizer, whatever really works for you. I prefer hair food, to be honest, because it just moisturizes better. So this is the current condition of my hair. So I'm not gonna lie, you can't necessarily see the growth in the video, but trust me, my hair was just dry and dull, and yeah, I had growth, quite a lot of growth by the roots. Like I said, with your Vaseline, you're gonna just put some Vaseline around your hairline and around your ears, just so that if chemical does get onto those areas, it does not irritate it. Like I said, straighteners are not necessarily like relaxers, so you will not be burning, so don't worry. So with that fine tooth comb or anything to actually part your hair, you'll see that in the box you get an instruction manual that tells you to part your hair and work through it in sections. The only reason why I actually really do this is because I just want to make sure that I get enough product in my hair. So as you can see, I'm just going to part my hair into 4 sections. I'm not really strict or pedantic about the straightness or the size of the 4 squares, to be honest. I just make sure that I just part my hair. You can literally use your fingers if you want to. If you're very OCD about it, then you can ask someone to help you, strictly part it the way you want to. But honestly, for me, it's just about making sure I get 4 squares, which is what I got right here. So when you get your Sheen Strat, when you open the box, you will see that in the inside you are literally just gonna get 3 things. You're gonna get let me just wait for so in the box, like I said, you're just gonna get 3 things. Firstly, you're gonna get an instruction manual that will tell you how to use the product, how to apply it. They usually advise you to pour out the tube, which is this is the straightener in the tube right there. They usually sort of like advise you to pour it out into a metal dish or whatever, so before you're applying to your hair, but I don't do that. You open it using the cap, the back of the cap. I don't do that because I feel like it's just an extra step that is not necessarily needed, to be honest. I just use it straight from the tube. And then you also get this conditioner, but then this is not leave-in conditioner, so you will use this later and then it has to get rinsed out. So driving straight into the straightening. This is the cream, and like I said, I literally just get it straight from the tube and I start applying it onto the hair. So one tube for me I use to apply to 2 of the 4 blocks. It doesn't really matter where you start or how you do it, but you just have to try to make sure that you are getting as close as you can to the growth of the hair, just like a relaxer would do, right? So like I said, I'm going to be using the second tube to just cover the 2 blocks at the back. If you really want a lot of product on your hair, then maybe you should buy a 3rd or a 4th one, depending on how much hair you have. So what I also like to do straight afterwards is just with a fine tooth comb, and with a fine tooth comb I go through the front only, and then with that wider tooth comb or an afro comb I like to just comb through the whole hair, and then I just rub it in. You honestly don't need a lot of product, to be honest, when you're using the straightener. And also it doesn't matter if it actually gets into your scalp, it does not burn. So once you've applied the whole product to your hair, wait for 10 minutes before you rinse it out, and that is literally it for this process. As you can see, a little goes a long way and it will work regardless. Like I said, you wait for 10 minutes, and with my shampoo I wash my hair in 4 steps actually. So firstly, what I like to do is just rinse out the product. Secondly, I use a little bit of shampoo, then rinse it out. Thirdly, get a little bit more shampoo to rinse out the whole head, and then fourthly, I just rinse out my whole head with just some fresh water. And we are back. I've washed my hair obviously offline because all I was doing is just wash my hair, and as you can see, this is the texture that has come out and that I've gotten. Like I've said, fun fact is that your scalp will not burn, darlings. If you have a sensitive scalp, I urge you to please try it. And then I'm just going to be grabbing the conditioners, because obviously I was using 2 boxes, that's why there's 2 small little bottles. It's very runny. And all you have to do is just make sure you coat your whole head, hair, whatever, with the conditioner. It is not a leave-in conditioner, so we are going to make sure that we rinse this out. Again, there's no particular way. As you can see right there, just be careful. There isn't a particular way to apply the conditioner. So it's just about making sure that it coats all your hair, honey. And then this step is just optional. I like to just comb through the hair again, wait 10 minutes, honey, again, and then rinse your hair out. Just rinse your hair out with some fresh water. And this is the texture here that we have. So you'll see as I'm combing through the hair, it's nice and it's soft and it's easy and it's manageable. So I'm gonna just quickly grab my hair dryer, and as you can see, I'm using the bigger tooth comb, the afro comb or whatever you wanna call it, because I want to get my hair to at least look like an afro. So I don't necessarily hair dry it in such a way where I'm trying to get the hair straight. I'm just trying to get the hair dry, and that's all I literally am doing with that comb, and just making sure that I just run the hair dryer all over, having a Beyonce moment there, as you can see, honey. And yeah, that's the main thing for me. But that's how you get that sort of like afro-like texture. So try not to comb the hair too much, but obviously you do have to comb the hair because you don't want it to get all tangled and whatnot, right? And then I'm going to be grabbing my Dark and Lovely hair food. This one I think I got from Discam as well, but I think you can get it anywhere. It literally looks like Vaseline, and all I do is literally, I don't apply a lot because I don't want the hair to be too greasy, but also if you have time, I was just honestly just lazy, you can base your scalp appropriately with either your coconut oil or whatever it is that you base your scalp with, or your hair food. And then yeah, I just took my hair dryer again and just make sure that if there's any wet hair, again, as you can see, I'm not trying to get the hair straight. And then that is it. I've styled the hair. And there you have it, honeys. I honestly feel like this is the best way if you want to still have sort of like afro looking hair, but you want the hair to be soft and you don't necessarily want to struggle with coarse hair. I would definitely give this a try. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course comment down below. Product information will be in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.